Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can minimize Tidal to tray on Windows PC. So the first thing that you need to do is close Tidal. You want to make sure that it is not running in the background. After that, you want to use the combination of keys Windows and R in order to open the Run app, and then you want to use %appdata% and then press OK. You will open this folder of appdata and roaming, and over here you need to go to Tidal. Over here, scroll down and you should be able to find settings file. You want to right click the settings file and then use any text editor that you have on your PC. It can be Notepad, it can be Notepad++, it doesn't matter. Now you need to find close to tray line, and over here where it says false, you need to change it to true. Keep in mind that after true there has to be a comma, and once you change that, save and then open Tidal. And after that, if you close Tidal, it will actually go to tray. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.